We just touched down in a Blossom Ivy. Blossom Ivy. This is a Blossom Ivy vibe. It's Kileleshwa. This is the new thing. Go and watch the next video to see Blossom Ivy family. You see what they have to offer. It's my first time checking out this project. And it's just because my tenant is actually, you know what I mean, is the actually developer. So I've invited me to come and check it out. So, yeah, family, the office this. Big man is on the phone. Yeah, family, this is at the office. Lucky Ivy, this is them project where them do already. I like how them thing is actually have a nice little design to it, you know what I mean? This is Lucky Inn. I normally see these projects actually when I'm going through Westlands. But I like how it, you know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, so this one is Blossom Ivy, right? Okay.
Blossom Ivy, Locking Ivy, Ivy Park, Kimani, this one here where we're standing. This one in Westlands. And very soon we have another Ivy Mist opposite here. Open in September.
Okay, I like this.
It's a big company with a lot of projects coming up. So credential, that reputation, no problem. Quality, no problem.
All right, so show house ready?
Yes.
Oh, you're gonna tell me about it, right? Okay. Press it. So tell me about this project here.
This one. This one is Blossom Ivy. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms. Starting from 19 million.
So 1 bedroom starting from?
1, 2,
3?
8.5.
8.5, okay.
1, 2, and 4 bedrooms are fully sold out.
So 1, 2, and 4 bedroom already sold out. So only 1 bedroom available.
No, we don't have any 1 bedroom.
So what's available?
3 bedrooms available. For the 3 bedrooms, we've got.
So you guys only 3 bedrooms available?
Yeah.
Only 3 bedrooms. How much 3 bedroom going for? 19 million. Okay.
And we have 5 types of 3 bedrooms, from the smaller one to the bigger one.
Okay, perfect.
180 square meter, 208, 212, 226, and the bigger one, 236.
Perfect. All right. So what about the amenities?
We have kids play area, gym, heated swimming pool, garden, coffee club. We're gonna have the bigger one, the smaller one. We're gonna have the bigger one on the basement floor. We're gonna have the amenities.
Okay. All right. Tell me about it.
Okay, then the completion of this project is this year, December.
Okay, this year December. Okay, wow. Okay, nice. All right. So you guys have a pool and these things?
Yeah, we're gonna have heated swimming pool, gym.
Where is the swimming pool and this? Where it's gonna be?
Then you come this side.
Let me see.
All our amenities.
Okay, on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
The others are
Parking.
parking.
Okay, cool. Okay. All right. Let's see the showroom.
The showroom, this side.
All right, let's see the showroom, family. You know what I mean? We're at Blossom Ivy. Ivy Park.
Section. It will have to remain after completion. This will be our main entrance. For the
Okay.
Yeah. For the guests, this will be our main entrance.
So this will be it. Are you guys gonna?
Yeah, it will.
Right. So the show this is Block A. Okay.
Having 7 units per floor.
Okay, that's nice.
Block B, having 4 units per floor. Now this one is our 3 bedroom, 208 square meter, with a detached DSQ.
Detached DSQ, so you enter from your family. Okay, so this is a DSQ. Okay, have your own little thing so your own little bathroom and stuff. Big bathroom. So detached DSQ.
Yeah.
So when you enter, woo!
This is our kitchen.
Wow.
Our kitchen normally comes fully fitted. Food, cooker, and oven.
Okay.
Then each unit comes with water purifier.
Okay, nice. Wow. All right.
Then with our common washroom, it has a duck and gym. So you can access from this side and also from the other side.
So this is a common bathroom. Okay. Okay, I like the setup of this is nice.
And it has a balcony.
Oh, it has a balcony by itself. Wow. This is Kileleshwa. Which school is that over there, so? Which?
Shadell.
Shadell.
It's an international school.
Opposite the international school family, Shadell. So if you come with your family, your kids them school just around the car. Kileleshwa family is definitely for family. Yeah. I like Kileleshwa. I would live over here if I actually think about living in the city. So this is a very nice setup for me. I like you can just lock this door and enter from that door and the kitchen like this. So it will come with this too, right?
No, does it come with that?
Does it come with this?
Yeah, I'll show you how the kitchen comes.
Okay. And it's the living room.
The
Dining room. So what is this?
This one is used to warm food, but does it come with the house?
Oh wow, this is a cool thing. Wow.
Here is our second bedroom.
Second bedroom in suite, and it has its own balcony.
Yeah.
Wow.
It has its own balcony again.
And this one is going for how much? This size?
This size 11 from farm. This one 21.
21 million.
21 cash, 22 installment. Slightly negotiable.
Slightly gonna. Okay. Nice. So I like this as a balcony. I like it. So it come with this railing.
No, that's halfway.
That's halfway.
Yeah, just
but if you want it like this, I can tell the developer.
For you.
Yeah. So let's say I want that thing at the front. I can get it too. The thing at the table. I eat the food.
Oh,
This one. I can get it with this if I want.
This one.
Can I get it with it?
But if you want it, I still order it for you.
You can order it for me. Okay. So family, so this all in suite. Your own balcony, a nice bathroom here. You know what I mean? This is the second room, right?
Yeah, the second bedroom.
And the third bedroom, which is what?
The third bedroom you're using is an office. It's locked, but I'll show you another type of the three bedroom.
Okay.
It's the living room.
It's the living room.
Then
Okay.
the balcony for the living room.
Okay. This is a 3-bedroom family. 21 million negotiable. You know what I mean? And this is your view. And how many floors up?
23, but 22 for residential. Then the 23rd is for the penthouse.
How many penthouse?
Like 11 bedrooms.
11-bedroom penthouse. 11-bedroom penthouse.
But now we're not going to sell that one. It's for our bosses. They're going to stay on top of it.
So they're going to manage it. They're going to manage this. Wow, family. Wow. You want to get into this because if the boss them have them apartment here, them interest is here. Yeah, family, this is a good thing. I like it, you know what I mean? It's Blossom Ivy Kileleshwa for the family. You know what I mean? I might have to talk to the developer to see if he can cut me a deal so I can get one of this in my family.
These are the amenities.
Amenities family, you have a yoga,
The gym.
you got a swimming, eating food, you have a swim lounge, okay? And then you have, okay.
We have the cafe.
Cafe. You have a cafe here, so you don't have to come out to get some tea, and it's like a hotel style living. Kids play here, yeah? Okay. Yeah. And this is
the second type of the 3-bedroom. 212 square meter.
Which one is bigger?
No, the big one is on block B.
Oh, this is the same size as this size.
That one is 208.
So it's the same price?
No.
A little bit more. This one is a different actually style.
Yeah.
Wow, what I like with this family, every room is a different way of making and style. So you have to choose which one you like, family. Does it come with this office?
No, but it comes with this shoulder.
So let me tell you the deal, family. It's like how the Chinese them are gonna live here. They will the same thing they wanna use at them house, you can get it too. Because the boss is gonna live up at the penthouse, the 14-bedroom penthouse, after the family developer of this place. So if you want your place to look like this, trust me guys, you can get it done because the Chinese them are shipping them own products same way for them own home. You know what I mean? Yeah. So this is what?
The first bedroom.
Woo! Wow, it's big. Let me talk to the developer for me. I have to talk to this developer family. I forgot to talk to this developer. I forgot. So this one is actually big, but it do have a bathroom. Yeah. Just go straight in the bathroom and so. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, family. Blossom Ivy, me say right now in a Kileleshwa, my favorite project in a Kileleshwa right now. Wow, in suit. Wow. You know what I mean? Yeah. So which one is the master bedroom? This one?
This one is the master bedroom.
Wow. Big. Why? So much for this one, like this floor, the lowest floor. How much for this one right now? I'll take this one. I'll take this one. How much for this one?
20.5.
20.5. All right. And what about the payment plan? You guys have a payment plan? How long we have to finish this?
Installment.
Or or installment work?
Even mortgage works.
Oh, for which bank?
We are not specific, but some of us have their own bank.
Okay. All right. So, like the turn, let's say I'm going to buy this, I want to pay 20%. How long you give me to finish up?
Pardon?
Let's say I have 20% deposit.
Yeah, if you pay 20% deposit, then the rest you pay slowly until completion.
And that would be December.
Yeah, December.
If you're going to give me like another 6 months extra, let's say I'm charged, okay?
Only give 3 months extra.
3 months extra, all right. So maybe like I'm going to develop a family, I maybe can get another 3 months, you know what I mean?
Payment would normally be like 200,000.
Yeah. And this is a smart lock family.
Yeah, the fingerprint, the normal key, and the password.
Okay, nice. And what else you want to show me? This is what?
Another type of the 3-bedroom.
Oh, this is the biggest one.
No. The third last.
This is what?
The servant's quarter for this one.
For this one. Ah, okay.
Then for that one is
Okay.
they're all the same.
Mm-hmm.
So they carry servant quarter.
Yeah, the servant's quarter.
Oh, this one is big family. 226. How much for this one?
This one is 21 million cash, 22 installments.
Jesus, 21 million cash.
Now the good thing for
Woo!
this one has 3 balconies. The living room has a balcony, the first bedroom has a balcony, and the master bedroom has a balcony.
Wow.
And it has the views of the school.
Ah, the school. Okay, and it come with this?
No, it doesn't come with any decor. Just
And
a plain wall.
Just
It
a
comes
plain.
with this.
Okay, a
White
plain wall. But if you want a developer to do it, they can do it.
for you.
Okay, perfect. All right.
That's our first bedroom.
First bedroom. Woo! I'm just laughing. This one is like by itself. The balcony go all the way around. Wow, there's one balcony here. Wow.
The balcony, the common washroom.
Very big family. Wow. And then this is what?
Common washroom. The
Common
same as
wash.
that one.
Oh, the common washroom here. Okay, nice. Yeah. This one is big. You put a washing machine and stuff there. Well, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Second bedroom and suite.
Second bedroom in suit. Wow, big. I'm sure if you can ride him bike in this place, round and around family. Jano Rasta. You know what I mean? You see them thing here? We ask the universe to give us them thing here because, you know what I mean? Them thing we want for our family.
Then is the master.
Master.
It ends here.
What do you mean? So you guys gonna block off here?
Yeah, we're gonna close it here.
Close it.
Since the lifts are not working,
Yeah.
we're using this one to go to block B.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. But the master ends here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the balcony though, it's very big and nice. Green and serene, you have your hammock, and your swing pan a thing in a, yeah? Where you say, give you a freestyle of few, no treasure, where you move so? You know what I mean? Another project that over there, so them call me, say me if you come look at it.
You know Jaja love me, Jaja love me. Man, I go come here with my face makeup looking ugly. Nobody send you Jessica if you come kiss and rug me. Jaja love me. Oh, Destiny child. Look good, you see Destiny smile. Romesh.
Big up, one love, God bless, Jamaica, Kenya, we there. Yeah man, so this is it. Everything else you want to show me? What about the 2-bedroom? 2-bedroom?
You want me to show you the 2-bedroom?
It's actually like this. It has.
Let me show you the 2-bedroom. It's where you see it as an office, but we can still show it to you.
Okay, how much for the 2-bedroom?
It was 15.5.
15.5, 2-bedroom.
Yeah.
Let's see how big it is. How much is square footage?
166 square meters.
I like how to put the island just for this one and stuff. Yeah. All right, family. Let's go. Yeah, family, this is a real family place, and my best pick on this family is because the Chinese gonna live here
Then is our 2-bedroom.
in the 2-bedroom.
Yeah, 166 square meter.
Wow, it's very big. Hello. Very big. Wow. This is for the family. This is for a real family house. This is not no actually investment apartment that you see in Westlands. You know what I mean? When you come to Kileleshwa, it comes to size, space. You know what I mean? So it's a difference. And that's what I like Nairobi real estate, because with every development is different. You know what I mean? To match your style and suit your style is different. That's why I love Nairobi real estate so much, because nothing is the same, family. You know what I mean? It's all about what you want and what is best for you and your family. You know what I mean? So the 1-bedroom, 1 bedroom family, 8 million. This is it, right?
Yeah, 70 square meters.
Woo! They come with this, right?
Yeah, it comes with the
Come, yeah? Wow, 1 bedroom family, Kileleshwa. You get like a 2 bedroom. You have a
Jack and Jill door, you can
Jack
access
and
the-
Jill. Wow, come in. You cannot.
Yeah, and the master game.
Okay, okay, so you can access it from both sides. You know what I mean? Balcony. Wow, so this is
A very big balcony.
go all the way back, and I see.
Belong to the master.
Okay.
And I like how they put this little thing here for your washing and stuff. Wow. I know what this is going for.
8.5.
8.5. Wow. Family, I don't know what else to tell your family. All I can do is show you right now. This is what, the 5G? It's for the internet. Huawei internet.
The house.
It comes to the
Each
house.
unit comes
Okay. So what? So it seems that like how the Chinese gonna live here on the block. They're gonna be upstairs. Like, can you like figure out? Can you tell me what's gonna be like the features? What's the advantage that now that they're gonna be living here, the Chinese?
Okay,
For like a client who wanna buy.
For us, okay, the first thing you look is the developer reputation. For us, like Blossoms.
So my phone is actually dead, but actually let me just make you say hi. Troy.
Yeah.
Just tell my people about the company and about yourself and the development and the developer and stuff. Let's give them some information.
Okay, so my name is Troy and I am from Ivy Group. So our company has been here for 15 years. We've been developing a lot of projects, like around 10 projects in the main area of Kileleshwa, Kilimani and Westlands, in the very good area of Nairobi. So currently we have like 4 projects which is on sale. Okay, where we're standing is Blossom Ivy, that is will be finished in December of 2026. We have another one, it's called the Lucky Ivy, which is in Westlands. By Christmas, before Christmas, you will have it. We still have like a few units in these 2 projects. And we launched one last year in December, which is in Kilimani, called Ivy Park. And that one is very good for investment clients. We majorly have like 1 and 2 bedroom there. And
How many units?
Around 600 units.
How many units on this one?
This one is 237. Okay, then the one in Westlands is 132. So, like that one in Kilimani is a new one, and it's designed for investment clients. And next to us is a very big mall, 2.5 acre China developer to doing a very high-end mall there.
Where?
Kilimani one.
Kilimani, okay.
Kileleshwa Road.
Kileleshwa Road, okay.
So the newest one we are going to set up to launching is opposite Blossom Ivy, still in Kileleshwa, in September of this year, called Ivy Mist. Okay.
And that one will be what? 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3, yeah.
1, 2, 3
1, 2, 3.
bedroom.
Yeah. And also having very good views, because the land next to us belongs to the Kenrail. It won't sell. It's not private land. So that means secure you client who bought at least you got 10 years or 15 years of good view to the forest.
Okay. All right, Troy. Thank you so much, man.
Yeah.
All right. You'll see me again.
Welcome.
All right. All right, guys. You hear from the developer. You hear from the man. You hear them past track record. You hear everything. It's your time now to do what you need to do. Link up Jam Tours and get some investment in Nairobi.